Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone not charging fully 100% on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, before starting the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and like this video. So guys, let's get started. So guys, the first of all, disable the optimized battery charging feature on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down and then tap on battery here, tap on battery health and charging, and then optimized battery charging feature, turn this off. So simply turn off here. So go back, and the next solution is remove the iPhone cover before the charging. So guys, if you are using iPhone cover, so if you are charging, so remove the cover first, then put your phone on the charging. So, and the next solution is make sure that the charging accessories are not faulty. And so guys, the next solution is some other reasons that doesn't allow your iPhone to charge up to 100%. So besides this feature, heating issues can be another reason that may cause your iPhone battery charge to get stuck at 80% and not completely charge up to 100%. So faulty chargers or faulty charging sockets may cause heating issues. In this situation, the battery gets overheated when it reaches up to 18% so of charge, then it may not charge any further. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.